Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know I look a little different, maybe like a familiar character from your childhood. Yes, I am doing Katara from Avatar: The Last Airbender. She is definitely one of my favorite characters and definitely had a very good evolution throughout the show as well. I feel so pretty and I feel so beautiful with this long hair and this beautiful glowing makeup. I absolutely love it. If you want to see how I get this look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, starting off camera, I added my blue eye contacts and I did my brows. And now I'm starting off with my Conceal and Define by MacLeod just to add a bit more coverage in those areas because Katara's look is very natural. I'm adding the Becca foundation, but in very little amounts. This is just to go around the areas where I didn't really put the concealer, and also to darken up the concealer just a tiny bit since by itself it's pretty light. And now I'm priming my eyelids and just buffing that. Just powdering under the eyes and my nose since those are in the T-zone since those are my most oily places, and setting my lids. Again, I'm not going to be setting the rest of the face because it's very natural. And here just bronzing up lightly some areas. Just making a couple areas and going into the eyes. Here I'm just using ouch on the outer corners and not bringing it in at all. Just blending it out on that outer edge just to give my crease a little something something. Now I'm going in with this shimmery shade that is from one of the Christine Dominique palettes, and just adding that to give my eye a little sparkle and a little attention, and adding a silver liner on the inner portion of the lower lash line just to give it some more sparkle, and blue on the outer edges. That way it makes the blue in the eyes pop. Off camera, I added some lashes and liner, and then now I'm just blushing my face with lots of blush to make it look just a little bit more natural rosy and give it a little bit more color. And now I'm setting my face and bringing the skin back to skin. This is what gives it that glowy look. And prepping it for a highlighter. Ooh, that highlighter's still popping. Still got it. But definitely will be blending it out, as you can see, just so it's a little bit more natural. And now adding a little silver in the outer corner. This is something I've recently loved to do, is connecting the brow bone highlight to whatever shimmer I have on the lid. Of course, taking a small brush, fixing the nose and cupid's bow. Here I attempted to do a gradient lip where it's actually darker on the inside and lighter on the outside, so that's what I put first. That one small coat of red and then blended it out. Alright guys, this is the final look for Katara. What do we think? And it doesn't stick at all. To say that the eyeliner was a struggle is real, and I cut that out because too much of a struggle. But besides that, especially the lips, I love it. I feel all pretty. I'm sporting all the blue that I can, very casual. Yeah, hope you guys loved this tutorial, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and a comment and subscribe to my channel. Remember that I try to post as much as I can. I'm going to be back on TikTok soon, so yeah, all very exciting news. Comment down who your favorite Avatar: The Last Airbender character is, and if you like The Legend of Korra. I know the fandom has a very mixed feelings about that. So make sure to let me know, and I'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye!